Euphoria 2019 follows Rue Bennett, a 17-year-old teenager trying to rebuild herself after a difficult period. Her life changes when she meets Jules, a free-spirited new student with whom she forms a complex bond that blends love and intense friendship. Around her, their classmates are also facing their own struggles. Nate, an athlete with an explosive temperament who hides deep insecurities. Maddy, trapped in a complicated relationship. Cassie, searching for affection, but held back by poor choices. And Kat, who explores her confidence through a double life online. With its unique visual universe of glitter and neon lights, Euphoria highlights the challenges of adolescence, self-discovery, relationships, and the ups and downs of life. Zendaya's outstanding performance earned her an Emmy, making the series one of the most impactful teen dramas of the decade.